Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be changing that clutch. This man right here. Our personal mechanic. We're gonna be changing this clutch today. We won't even talk about the race car right there. I can't compete with him. I ain't wanna talk about that.
But hold on, you gotta pause a second. That thing bad.
Huh?
That thing bad.
Oh yeah. Man, Steve. If you know, you know. It mean business. Well, I'm gonna try to record a lot of the process. If I get my hand dirty, I'm probably not. So, see y'all when I see y'all. You unhooked everything? You said, So how I gonna move? I'm gonna have to pay Steve too. For using his tools, man. You pay my man Steve. What are you doing?
Sweet.
Let's speak loud for the camera, sir.
Wait for it to break free.
You spoke the same.
You said what?
You spoke the same. That's a video, bro. You on the vlog, bro. Changing my clutch, man. What you gotta say?
About fucking time. It's been sitting over there for like 3 weeks.
It's been 2.
Oh, okay.
Man, he love talking shit now.
That's the best thing to do.
Yeah, bro. You wanna help us with your clean? Got the fit on. You got the fit on.
Yep.
Why you start the beat? Last Sunday. What is that boat called? Axle nut. Let's take the axle nut out. I know somebody gonna have some shit to say, but it's the clutch and stuff I got. The clutch. More of a flywheel. Huh? Yeah, I recorded it. Motor mounts, but I don't think I'm gonna need them. Yeah, getting the spot for that mic.
Hey, I'm Kendra J, your iHeart on the Verge artist with my new song,
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, bro.
It's hard, bro. But that thing you got.
Hey, careful, yeah, bro. So we gotta go get some more parts for, not parts. We gotta get more tools. Tools, and we do gotta get parts too. So we're about to go head out.
A couple of quick parts.
Yeah. I'm sure you can hear me. Every time I say that, you can hear me fine. So yeah. Get y'all a little footage of this hatchback.
Hey, what's up?
What's
man?
up,
You
bro?
know, it's me. I am Pluto. You know we on TikTok. The Mac House. 1.3 million. Get us to 1.4.
Take it over. Buc-ee's is packed.
Yeah. They doing real good for it to be a new store, bro.
This mother is rowdy. Be popping and it's freaking straight pipe, loud as hell, ignorant. You ain't gonna take her to the store, bro? You look dark from this angle because the sunlight.
My dog, I can't even see you.
It's not. It was just a light, bro. It's just a light on that side. I can
At
see
least
you
can
now.
see my shirt.
I see y'all.
He ain't got no neck. You can't even find him. It blending in.
At least you can see my shirt though.
I say, yeah, you getting dark now. You getting back dark now. You gotta come
That
back
how
on this
blending in with
side.
his fan. He the same
Come on
color
this
them
side,
fans.
man. Come on the dog side.
Oh,
What's up?
dog side. I'm on the dog side. What's up with you? I'm on the dog side. You can still see me now.
Yeah, I see you right now.
I see your shoes.
Could we come out to the light? You know, the reflecting off the road, whatnot. Take her to the store, bro.
It's a single.
Single?
Yeah.
15 or 16? 16. Y'all going to ISG tomorrow?
Nah. Nah, we're not.
I hear you. It's good to see them old things on the road, man.
Oh, yeah.
I got a 91 CRX that I just can't park with.
Yeah. That's the first time I've ever gotten any respect. No cuss.
And they do their work.
Hmm?
They do their work.
Yeah, true. That is true. That's
You ready?
true. Not yet.
But yes, like I was saying, now is my time to drive Frankenstein. This thing really, you either like love it or hate it, man. This car is sick. We gotta stop by the parts store too and get some parts for my car. We gotta get, I forget what they call it, some kind of pins. Some kind of pins broke off. Damn, look at the Mopar. Dude behind me said, that's a Hellcat. I don't think that's a Hellcat. Fire that bitch up, bro. Check me out. Yes. Oh God. That's why I wouldn't get no gears, cuh. That's crazy. Oh my God.
That's crazy.
Is it?
Bro, you throw that bitch out.
Oh. Bruh.
I was giving that bitch hell.
Hey, I be giving that bitch hell, bro. I'm mounting this bitch on my wall. Look at that. Check me out.
101, Peter, 101.
Check me out, bro. I'll tear that bitch up.
That's how you drive right now.
Talk to him, Jay. What'd you say?
Now that's how you drive.
I'm finna get on that bitch, bro. You got had it last time. I'm finna get on. You want me to get on it? Yeah, I'll get on that bitch. You got it on record?
That's the whole thing I hate. Huh?
You got it on record?
Yeah.
What you need me to do now? Talk to me. How far off am I? I think you need to come, yeah, like towards the front of the car. Like maybe, nah, I think you need to go up. Push it, you do it from up. I'm just saying, you know, that'd be, we can make that distance or something. Yeah, we ready? Yeah. Oh, I need some glasses. Alright. Huh? Oh, I need some glasses, man.
You tired?
I just got shit in my eye.
You gotta rock it left and right. Twist it.
It's dripping.
Alright, hold. It ain't doing it. So you ready to go?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back up again and make sure. Tighten it. There we go. Alright, wild thing.
Yes, sir. Everything back together. Grab the phone. Got a case on
Oh,
it.
he on point. Shit, that bitch hit the ground hard enough. That case.
Bang.
Yeah, don't do that.
Bro, you got a case on it. It
I
ain't.
learned the hard way though.
Yeah, alright. Bang. Oh, okay.
It's got a
Okay.
case on it, bro. I ain't
Okay.
worried about it.
I had the outer bar.
I'm gonna try to give it a week, bro. I'm gonna give it a week. At least till Wednesday.
What? For it to sit?
Nah, before I get on it. You see, we ain't use it all. Still got a good bit in there. Well, check it out. All done. Everything's back together. Coolant, everything we need. So, yeah. Gonna be the first drive since the clutch. Everything's sounds good. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, I just fogged up my choking the tires back down. We're gonna call it a day. I'll give y'all another drive another day. I'm just gonna drive that bitch home. Nah, I'm finna end this vlog here. I'm gonna just drive home and give y'all a vlog video another day. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna wait till another day. Y'all will see it when y'all see it, but yeah. Let's end this vlog. My name is Isaiah Toots. Oh, shout out to my boy Trey. My chain and cut and pay my boy, you know. This vlog is over. My name is Isaiah Toots. Positive vibes only. Like, comment, subscribe. We out. Peace.